Hello friends, I am Dr. Sheetal Duralkar. Today we are going to see a new and important skill of micro teaching, stimulus variation, which is related with 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. Now we will see meaning of stimulus variation. Stimulus variation is an important skill which helps to keep students attentive in the class and to sustain their motivation. This skill involves using various attention, producing behavior patterns from the part of the teacher in order to sustain the interest and attention of the students. Importance of stimulus variation. It is difficult to concentrate on one thing for a long time, causes boredom. Thus, the teacher should use different stimulus to keep students attentive and disciplined in the class. If the class is disciplined, the rapport between the teacher and the student is maintained. Now we will see sub-skills of stimulus variation. Teacher's gestures, teacher's movement, intonation or change in voice, change in sensory focus, verbal and active participation. We will see one by one. Teacher's gestures. They are non-verbal cues to express emotions. Teacher can use head, eye, hand movements, facial expressions, etc. It makes verbal communication more effective. It should be properly planned and meaningful. Must match with verbal content. The next one is teacher's movement. Class becomes monotonous if teacher remains in the same position. Students get tired and less alert looking in one direction. Unnecessary movements should be avoided like playing with the chalk. Teacher can move in front of the students, towards the board, towards the student answering, etc. The next one, intonation or change in voice. It includes pitch, tone and speed of voice. If there is no change in speech, the lesson becomes drab and boring. For example, important points should be said in a changed speed and louder. The next sub-skill, change in sensory focus. Try to promote students to use more sensory organs. For example, students focus on teacher when she speaks, then shifts their attention to the board when she writes, again focuses on teacher when asked a question, etc. So try to do different kind of activities in your class. It makes the lesson interesting. When teacher says listen carefully or observe carefully or look here, this is important, etc., students give attention. So try to change in sensory focus. The next one, verbal and active participation of students. Through questioning, the student's thought can be directed to the correct path. Students remain alert and think actively. Promote students' discussions. Students may sing or even recite poems. Activates a number of sensory organs. The students are active. Through activity, many concepts become clear. For example, students helping during demonstration, coming in front of the class and pointing at maps, etc. So try to take verbal and active participation of students to clear the concept. Students remember matter longer as it stimulates more than one sensory organs. Friends, these are sub-skills. With the help of these sub-skills, our lesson will observe. These are some references which are used for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.